Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Tonight we are going to be doing a nighttime cleaning routine. Say hi.
Hi.
We just finished dinner. Say hi.
Hi.
Weirdos. So we just finished dinner and my house is particularly messy, which is why I decided to film today. We had friends over, then we left to go to a birthday party. No, thank you. So we've got a sink full of dishes, crazy children, and just kind of, I made a coffee cake earlier. I made chocolate chip cookies last night. The kids just dug into those. We've just got kind of stuff everywhere. We've got a mess over here, and we've got a big mess out here. The kids were doing that like YouTube thing where you can draw a picture. They explain to you like how to draw whatever. So there's tons of stuff everywhere. The kids and all their friends were here and they had coffee cake here. Yeah, you want to show them your pictures?
This one.
Talk like a Leighton.
This one.
Who's that?
Tinkerbell. And a pineapple.
And a pineapple. So cute.
Oh, you did.
She did too. So there's crayons. There's a sticker on my floor. Got it. But like you can't really see, but there's crumbs everywhere. The table is so, you can't see, is so sticky and absolutely disgusting. So we're going to get this entire house cleaned, and I figured it would be a good time to show you like what I do on a nightly basis. Like I said, this is, I mean, it's not that big of a mess, but it's generally not usually this messy, but today we're a little crazy apparently, and extra messy. So I'm going to get started in the kitchen, putting all of the dishes away, cleaning off the counters, and then we will move to the dining room.
Mama.
Leighton.
Mama.
I love you.
Mama.
All right, so let's get started.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better. Too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, yeah. I get too drunk and too scared and lie made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting.
Hi.
No roughing. No.
No points for the howlers. Are these Skittles?
Nope, M&M's. Uh-huh. Try not to make a mess in your bed, okay? All right, have fun. What are you watching? Pup Academy. Okay. Love you guys.
Deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep.
The kitchen and dining room all cleaned up. Now I'm just going to oh, it's so dark. There we go. Tidy up the living room and vacuum the rug real quick. Nothing else out here really needs to get cleaned up. And then I will go check the bathrooms. Then I am going to, we really don't need a load of laundry done, so I'll wait and see what I find in the kids' rooms when I go in their rooms and tidy their rooms before I put them to bed, because usually, at least in Lane's room, I find clothes that she hides everywhere. So, and then other than tidying the bathrooms and doing a little laundry, that is our full nighttime routine. So sometimes things need to get done, and other times things like the dining room table usually doesn't look like a bomb went off. Sometimes it does, depending on what they're doing. But that is about it. So I'm going to finish up in the living room, like I said, check the bathroom and tidy the kids' bedrooms, and then we will be done. Not too big of a mess. I'm surprised. They also haven't come in here. Oh, they need more mouthwash. I don't know what this is doing in here, but I'm just gonna take the Lysol wipe and wipe the counters down, because they actually didn't make too big of a mess. Very proud. Do you think dirty laundry in here?
I owe you.
You sure?
But I don't owe the academy.
Look at the popcorn all over the floor.
It spelled me too. Not me.
It was a mistake. Maybe they made one with you?
No, I'm still drinking that.
Okay.
You won't know unless you give them a chance.
Good thing I didn't put the vacuum away yet. Austin, you all done with your popcorn?
From a given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never thought it would matter. If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat, like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good. You got me good. I keep on driving till it bends, still it feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road to never end. Lost my head over
So that is it for my nighttime cleaning routine. So I obviously make sure the kitchen's clean, the dining room's cleaned, our like daily mess, any dishes, like I do not like going to bed with a sink full of dishes. They're 2 popcorn bowls and they're water cups. That's fine, I don't mind leaving those in there till the morning. But like dirty dishes, I can't. I can't bring myself to do it. So, and if I did leave dirty dishes in there, like my husband will wash them tonight at midnight when he gets home. It's just the way he is. So, like I said, just do like a general sweep of our main living area and then the kids' bedroom. So I just spot check the bathroom, make sure anything that needs to get put away. Typically there's tons of toothpaste in the sink. They have not brushed their teeth yet tonight. They have like 10 more minutes left of Pup Academy and then they will be brushing their teeth and going to bed. But so I do like a general little pickup in their room. They're pretty good-ish. They were bad this summer, but we're back on track for the fall and like our back to school routine and all of that of cleaning their rooms and making sure their rooms are clean and all that. They do need a good mom clean, which I will be doing one day when they are in school, which I'll share with you guys. But I just do like a general cleaning and nothing crazy. And sometimes if the floor needs to get washed because something got spilled, I'll do that. We're good. Like nothing like that needed to get done. So just a general cleaning of our main living area, starting a load of laundry, running the dishwasher and all of that. We do those things every single night. So it just makes it easier for us to like have a fresh load of laundry in the morning just to fold. We switch it over at night. I typically don't fold it at night. There's been rare occasions where I start early enough that if I have the energy, usually sorry, I ran out of space on that SD card. So, like I said, those are the things that I just do every night. I honestly don't remember where I was when I left off, but those are the things I do every night just to reset our home, make sure it's clean and organized, and like we set ourselves up for success in the morning, because I hate waking up to a messy house. It like just sets me off in a bad mood and like gets me like ugh, and I already have to wake up and deal with a mess, and that's no fun. No one wants to deal with that. So your nighttime self should do things and make your morning self have an easier day. I don't know. So thank you so much for watching. I will be doing a morning cleaning routine and I'll also be doing a daily schedule because I am back to doing daily schedule cleanings. Like I do certain things on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, all throughout the week while the kids are in school, all of that. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any of my fall routine videos, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Still it feels like a pretend